If you want to learn how to add a watermark in Excel, this video is for you. There are many situations where you may want to add a watermark to an Excel worksheet, such as your company logo or another image. Excel does not have a specific watermark feature, but you can use a header and footer tool to create one. So let's see how to do it. I have this worksheet here, and I want to add a logo as a watermark in the middle of the sheet. If you want to add the watermark at the top or bottom, don't worry, the process is the same. First, go to the Insert tab, then Text, and click Header and Footer. Notice that Excel changed the worksheet view to Page Layout. Now, you can see three boxes at the top of your sheet. You can add the watermark on the left, in the center, or on the right. In this example, I want to place it in the center, so I will select the middle box. After I click the box, Excel opens the Header and Footer tab. Now go to the Header Footer tab and click Picture. A dialog box will open, and here you can choose an image for your computer, search for an image online, or use an image from OneDrive. For this example, I use an image from my computer. I find the image I want, double-click it to insert it into the header. Notice that Excel does not show the image here. Instead, it shows this code and %picture. To see the watermark, simply click any cell outside of the header. Now, we need to format the image and move it to the position we want. To move the watermark down toward the middle of the worksheet, click the picture code and press Enter a few times. And that's it. If the watermark is too small or too large, you can easily change it to size. Select the picture code and go to the header footer Format Picture. In this dialog box, you can change the size of the image. You can also use the Picture tab for change the colors, brightness, and contrast. For example, I choose Washout and set the contrast to 11%. You can test these options and find the settings that work best for your image. When you are finished, click OK. Now we have our watermark. Remember that headers and footers are mainly visible when you print the worksheet. So to check the final result, go to the File tab and Print. Here you can see how the watermark will look on the printed page. To remove the watermark, go back to the Insert tab, Text, Header and Footer. Click the header where the watermark was at and delete the picture code. The watermark is now removed. And that's it. You can also create watermarks in Excel using other features such as word art and shapes. I hope this type was helpful. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, subscribe to the channel and share it with someone who also wants to learn more about Excel. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.